In this module, we will try to understand what are the components of SAP CRM system. Now, your companies may have bought another ERP system and the components of CRM could be different. लेकिन इस particular module के अंदर we will be focusing on SAP CRM software जो help करेगा to keep track of interaction between customer and the organization. So, no matter what type of ERP system you are using, generally the components are same. And the role and responsibility and the features which are included in those CRM system वो एक जैसे ही होंगे. There might be a difference in the name. कुछ companies standalone CRM softwares बेचती हैं, sell करती हैं. But in the case of SAP, if you are going to buy their SAP ERP system, you can buy an add-in module that can give you all the features which are required for CRM. तो हम इस मॉड्यूल के अंदर we are focused on SAP CRM software. Now SAP ERP system processes business transactions and provides much of the raw data for CRM. Now the question is, what is the raw data? Well, all the information about the customer which has to be filled in for the CRM. अगर customer से related information इस particular module या इस particular system के लिए available नहीं होगी, तो this would be a standalone system. On one end, some companies would buy a customized ERP system and a customized CRM system. But in the case of SAP, this is just an add-in that you have to buy from SAP company. अब उसके अंदर all the transaction related to the customer, वो कौन कौन सी transaction होगी, उसने क्या बाय किया, कब बाय किया, कितनी क्वांटिटी में बाय किया, सेल ऑर्डर कब क्रिएट हुआ था, एनी क्यूरी रिलेटेड टू दैट ऑर्डर, क्या उसने कंप्लेन की थी, उस कंप्लेन के अगेंस्ट क्या रेजोल्यूशन थी. तो वो सारी इंफॉर्मेशन फिल इन होगी CRM मॉड्यूल के लिए या इन अदर केसेस CRM सिस्टम के लिए इफ इट इज ए स्टैंडअलोन सिस्टम. SAP's business warehouse system is used for reporting and analysis of transactional data which involve relationship with them. Now transactional data से क्या मुराद है? Now transactional data is all the activities which are going on a daily basis. वो सारी इंफॉर्मेशन जो डेली बेसिस पे जनरेट होती है, कितने कस्टमर ने कॉल किया, उनकी क्या रिक्वेस्ट थी, किस टाइम पे किया, और एंड ऑल द रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन. तो वो सारी इंफॉर्मेशन जब मैनेज और प्रॉपरली एनालाइज हो रही होगी तो यू बी इन अ बेटर पोजीशन टू रिटेन द रिलेशनशिप विद द कस्टमर. नाउ रिटेनिंग मीन कि गुड इंफॉर्मेशन विल लीड टू ए गुड डिसीजन मेकिंग. तो अगर इंफॉर्मेशन टाइमली है, इंफॉर्मेशन अच्छी है, यूजफुल है और इंफॉर्मेशन की यूजेज कंपनी को पता है कि किस लिए यूज करना है, तो जनरली दोज कंपनीज विल मेक ए गुड रिलेशनशिप विद द कस्टमर. Another component which is in the SAP CRM software is Advanced Planner Optimizer. ये क्या होता है? It is a system that supports effective planning of the supply chain, starting from the raw material to the manufacturing all the way to the delivery. SAP view of CRM is to provide set of tools to manage the three basic task areas: marketing, sales and service. अगर आप नोट करें तो इसमें जनरली इन कंपनीज देयर इज अ डिपार्टमेंट विच इज मार्केटिंग एंड सेल्स. वहां पर ये तीनों टास्क होंगे. कस्टमर सपोर्ट की जब बात आएगी कि फॉर एग्जांपल कस्टमर हैव बॉट समथिंग फ्रॉम यू एंड नाउ उसको कोई क्वेश्चन है जो आपकी कंपनी को वो कॉल करेगा, तो ऑल द क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड टू दैट हैज टू बी आंसर्ड फ्रॉम दैट कंपनी. SAP ERP CRM software, generally it is installed on 4 different servers. Now, as I mentioned and explained previously, no matter what type of ERP system you are using, in many cases, ERP and the functionality of ERP and CRM could be bundled in one. In other cases, like SAP, it is an add-on module that has to be bought separately. तो यहाँ पे SAP CRM system is running on a separate machine, which is represented by a box, SAP ERP system on another one, business warehouse module, and advanced planner module. So all those different modules has to be bought separately. Now there are 4 phases of the cultivation of customer. Now you have to make sure that starting from the prospecting to actually acquiring the customer, like all the activities which are pre-sales and during the sales, acquiring, you have to create the sale order, make sure that inventory is there, you have to create the delivery document. So all these steps which are required in order management process, servicing and retaining. Now in this one we are talking about making a good relationship with the customer, ताकि customer को जो सर्विस है वो भी प्रोवाइड हो, जो प्रोडक्ट है वो भी पूरे टाइम पे पहुंचे और कस्टमर दोबारा आपके पास आए, कस्टमर रिटेंशन बेहतर हो, कस्टमर रिटेंशन इंप्रूव हो. Now in SAP CRM software, generally the CRM module helps you to marketing and campaign planning. So all the activities related to marketing and campaign which involve planning, budgeting and monitoring. Now campaign could be run through phone, through web, mobile or email. So all the related activities about the campaign and the execution of that campaign is handled in SAP CRM. Target group creation. So all the information, because all the information is integrated across the functional departments, तो modeling, segment creation and selection, वो सारी information यहाँ पे मौजूद होगी. और the module which is helping you to manage, store and analyze, जिससे आप success measurement, third party data and profile creates कर सकते हैं. Now in combination and having all these features in SAP CRM software, this can help you to first store, manage and retain the interactions with the customer, ताकि आपको बेहतर डिसीजन मेकिंग कंपनी के अंदर अक्रॉस द बोर्ड करने में हेल्प करे.